Greeting guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn about 3 different modules in Python. So without further delay, let us get started. First is the math module. The first function in math module is Sqrt, which returns the square root of the value we enter. First, we have to import the math module by writing import math. Then we are going to write print math Sqrt 64, and it will display the result. The next one is pow, which returns to the power entered. Like if we write print math.pow 3, 2, then it will return 3 to the power of 2, that is 9. Another function ceil, which returns the smallest integer that is greater than or equal to the number entered. For example, if we write print math ceil 79.5, it displays the result as 80. The next one is just the opposite of the above one we studied just now. The floor function returns the greatest integer less than or equal to the number we enter. For example, if we write print math floor 79.5, so the output is 79. Fabs is another function in the math module which returns the absolute value of the number we enter. For example, if we write print math fabs 64, it will give the output as 64.0. Finally, there are 3 more functions in the math module, and they are sin, cos, and tan. They return the sine, cosine, and tangent of the angle we enter. But you have to remember that the value of the angle is considered in radians. The next module is a random module. This module is used for generating random numbers. For example, lottery numbers, in games involving the throwing of dice, picking a number, flipping a coin, shuffling deck of cards, etc. The first function of the random module is randRange. This function generates an integer between lower and upper limit. 3 inputs are start, stop, and step value. The start value is 0 by default and step value is 1 by default, while the stop value is compulsory to enter. It excludes the stop value while generating numbers. First we have to write import random, and then we can use the random module. Like if we write print random randRange 11, 45, then it will display any random integer between 11 and 45, including 11 but not 45. The next function is random, which displays random floating point values between 0.0 to 1.0, excluding 1.0. It takes no parameters. To generate a random floating point number between the given range, multiply random with the difference of upper and lower limit and add to it the lower limit as it is being shown on the screen. The final function in the random module is randint, which displays the random integer between the lowest and highest value entered, where both are included and also both recompulsory. There are 3 functions in the statistics module, which are mean, median, and mode. The mean function returns the arithmetic mean of the value entered as a list. For using the statistics module, we have to do the same as we did above, that is, first write import statistics, and then we can continue using the functions of the statistics module. Like if we first create a list named L with the elements being 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we can write print statistics.mean bracket L to find the mean of the list L. The median function returns the middlemost value of the values entered. We have to enter the value as a list as we did it in the mean function. And the final mode function function returns the most repeated value in the input we give. So that was all for today. If you liked it, then hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to the channel for more videos and also set the notifications to all.